Welcome back, baby. So as you guys can see, I'm bringing you a video from Afsisterwig. You guys, all the details will be listed down below. Y'all know I love bobs, you love bobs, we love bobs. Get into it. So today I'm going to be bringing you their it looks like their new unit. It is a silk base. It's not even silk base, it's more like a silk lace. You see what I did there? You see. Anywho, do you see how thin the lace is on this unit? This is going to be one of their more natural units that they do offer, of course. And right now they're having specials on their transparent lace. It is Swiss lace, which is extremely thin, easily blendable. And as you guys can see, they also have an elastic band, of course, combs inside of the wig cap. And they have like this bra strap elastic band, which I've been seeing a lot of companies have, but their placement is usually really weird. On this particular wig, it was in the exact right spot. Like literally, I didn't have to tack down any portion of this wig. I didn't use any glue, any gel, any spray, like nothing. Literally just the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace, you guys. Usually you will want to do this with like I'll probably say like an eyebrow razor or something, just so that the edges are not super perfect. But this lace is so freaking thin, it didn't even matter. Like, look at that. And it was the exact color of my skin. So it literally is going to be super blendable for any skin tone, literally any skin tone, because it's transparent. So if I wanted to customize this like frontal part, I definitely could have done this before applying the wig. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box, how to kind of just style and maneuver the wig immediately straight out of the gate without, you know, leaving any parts out. So that's what today's video is going to be on. If you guys missed it, I do actually have on a wig cap, which of course is new color. It does come with one in the box if you guys need it. Obviously, if it's not your correct color, you can just apply a little bit of foundation and make it your skin tone. But ideally, like I said, this lace is going to be super duper transparent. So if you literally just want to part your hair in like a ponytail, do a side part, middle part, pull it back into a low bun, boom, there you go. You're good. So I'm actually just showing you pretty much the other parts here. I am taking some of my mousse just to kind of smooth everything down. You guys know my best friend is the straightening comb as of lately, especially for my wigs, because it just makes it a lot easier than to go by piece with the flat iron. So I didn't even flat iron this hair at the end, like to bump it, curl it, nothing. I literally allowed it to just do its own thing. Whoever did the cuts on these or this wig looks freaking amazing. It was perfectly cut. Didn't have to do anything to it. In my opinion, I probably would have had it just a teensy tiny bit longer, only because my head is so long. Y'all know, like certain bobs, I needed to just go a little bit further down past my chin. But yeah, outside of that, I'm literally just going to take my tweezer and start to tweeze this up. You guys see I'm doing it in a diagonal motion. Nothing too perfect. I'm literally just pulling hair out as I go to kind of just check my work. And you guys can see that already it's starting to make a difference. The knots on this wig were already bleached. When I tell you, I literally didn't have to do anything. This is this is so crazy. I love wigs like this because it just makes the wig process so easy. When you purchase a unit, you should not have to do very much to it. There's no way that you're going to pay all this money and still have to bleach it and pluck it. Like, it just becomes a lot. Unless you're getting a unit that is extremely well priced, then I kind of understand. But these units are not only well priced, but they come exactly the way they need to. And so all that you need to do, if you want to tweeze it a little bit more, you can. It actually came pre-plucked. So the front of this wig was lightly plucked. As you guys can see, it's not any baby hair or anything like that on the unit. But like I said, if that's something you want to add, you definitely can. And you guys see I'm going probably about a ½ inch back and just lightly adding some baby hair, which the baby hair is not going to be used to actually style up. I'm actually using it to help blend the hair. So that is a trick. You don't always have to, you know, cut that little front area for baby hair. You actually use it to just kind of thin out the unit so that all the hair still flows, but it's not so heavy in the front. So I won't be doing any baby hair on this unit. I wanted to show you how natural pretty much everything looks on its own. And you guys can see, I don't know why I decided to brush through this with a regular brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish customizing this, and then I'll be right back towards the end of this video just to kind of chit chat a little bit more. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, the hot comb did exactly what it was supposed to do. You guys see that hairline thinned out. This really looks like, you know, if you was to go and get a silk press and just kind of like, bam, there we go. So this is going to be an easy wake up and go type of hairstyle. Like I said before, it's completely glueless. I literally can pull this wig off. It's going to be just fine. I didn't have to tack it down. I don't plan on tacking it down. It was extremely tight. I should have like flipped my hair upside down so you guys can see that it literally was not going anywhere. But even as I push the hair back out of my face, you guys don't even see that lace lifting up. That's because the lace is so thin and so soft that it's not like that harsh, you know, line against your skin, and it's not just going to be stuck in one spot. So I definitely enjoyed the wig. Definitely leave any comments or questions down below. Let me know how you feel about it. Look at the texture of the hair. It was soft, bouncy, shiny, not weighed down. Y'all, this was lit. Definitely going to be one of my favorites. So definitely, if you have not already, turn on your post notifications, comment, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, okay? Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.